In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly effectively in just 5 minutes. Calendly is a popular tool for scheduling meetings without the usual back and forth of emails. Whether you're organizing a personal meetup or a professional engagement, Calendly can dramatically simplify your scheduling process. Let's dive right in and walk you through how to set it up and make the most of it. To begin, head over to Calendly's website. You'll find the Login button situated conveniently at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to log in using your preferred method. For simplicity, I recommend clicking Continue with Google, which allows you to seamlessly choose and log in with your Google account. This integration not only makes the login process more convenient, but also streamlines the connection between your Google Calendar and Calendly, keeping everything in sync. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the Create button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to setting up a new event. Here, you'll be presented with various event types you can choose from, depending on your needs. For our example, let's select one-on-one, which is perfect for meetings or appointments with a single participant. Next, you'll want to name your meeting. This could be anything from quarterly review to the more casual coffee chat, depending on the tone and purpose of your meeting. After giving your event an appropriate name, it's time to select the meeting duration. Whether you prefer a quick 15-minute check-in or an hour-long deep dive, choosing the right length can help manage your time and expectations. The subsequent step involves setting the location. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll select in person. However, you also have the option to set online locations, like Zoom, which can be incredibly useful for virtual meetings. Once that's set, adjust your availability by clicking the pencil icon. This feature allows you to specify the days and times you're open to meeting, ensuring your appointments don't overlap with other commitments. Now, it's time to select the host for the event. If you're the host, simply confirm. Otherwise, you can assign someone else if necessary. Once all these details are configured, click on Create to finalize your event. This takes you to a page where you can see all the information summarized. Finally, you'll notice a copy link option at the top. Clicking this allows you to effortlessly share your event with attendees by sending them the link. This link lets them pick a convenient time that fits within your specified availability. It's as simple as that. With these steps, you're now ready to leverage Calendly to manage your time better. Thank you for tuning in and happy scheduling.